Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to reassemble a robot, and we're going to get rid of the broken part, and we're going to get the new part, which is this one. And again, as I said before, these go together, but don't put this part in before inserting this other piece into the slot, or it will not function correctly. So we'll do that now. See which way goes in faster. There we go. Put it in there. Now we have two working legs. Of course, before I finish it off, I will paint it, because you don't want to have one pink thigh and one red thigh. But that's beside the point right now. Let's go and finish off this piece as well. Again, make sure it's in position before you put this in, or it's going to be troublesome for you. There we go. Your fingers should be more than enough to get this into position. And there we have it. This piece is done as well.